Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Fort Macleod, Alberta. This small town sits in southern Alberta along the Oldman River, about 170 kilometers south of Calgary. It's known for its rich history and beautiful prairie surroundings. Fort Macleod was first established in 1874 as a Northwest Mounted Police Fort. The fort was named after Colonel James Macleod, one of the early leaders of the police force. Over the years, the town grew around the fort, and today, Fort Macleod is one of Alberta's oldest communities. Many of the buildings in the downtown area have been carefully preserved, giving visitors a chance to step back in time. Fort Macleod offers a mix of history, small-town charm, and wide-open prairie views, making it a unique place to visit in southern Alberta. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Fort Macleod, Alberta.
Thanks for watching!